Everyone, this is Pinky Kada. I am pursuing my Master's in Public Health at J.D. Goenka University. Today I am here with the topic of how the younger generation nowadays are more useful for the healthy resources, and also how the younger generation would be an educative part, or also how they can ambassador the education of in health. Coming to the main point, nowadays everyone even in the rural or the urban area people, they are staying back at the home, even though they are getting any kind of illness or sickness, even though if they are getting the most common causes like persistent cough or sneezing, everything, still they are staying back at the home, and they are not approaching the physician, and rather than they are going to the pharmacist or in pharma company where they will get the medication like OTC. But still, that was not the condition to deal with. If you are feeling sick, you need to step out and go to the primary physician just to know what was the status of your health. But how would they know? Like, they don't know, like they are not having the enough exposure to go out. So you, as being an younger generation or an educated one, even though you are a public health educator or a public health ambassador, if not you are a general student who is getting a degree in some college, you are having a chance to speak with the people and first to get the knowledge of the disease, and then you have to go to the rural areas or the urban areas where the exposure is less, and you have to suggest them if you find any illness or any kind of the unbalanced thing in the health, you need to get to the patient, and then you are ask them to go to the physician. Just because nowadays after COVID was entered into this world, we don't know like how the patients are suffering from what, because the symptoms are almost idiopathic, which means people can be sometimes without symptom only they can persist for a long time. So if you feel like personally that was the case or a condition where they need a doctor's preference, you yourself take a step forward and ask them to go to the physician to get a checkup, and after getting from there, you as a responsible citizen for the India, you just ask them to take what were the better measures and what was the nutrition and what was the healthy habits to implement to get rid of it. And nowadays government of India is giving everything for a free of cost. Health is everywhere, is available nowadays. So the resources and the screening test, diagnostic test also is done by the government with free of cost. So suggest them to go for the government hospitals rather than going to the private sectors and giving more money to them. Government hospital is more available for us. So just if you feel anyone in your family or friends who need education among the health or regarding the health, you just take a part and take initiative and get to them, educate them, and you also be educated. This is the responsibility for everyone, every individual who are having their degree. So be more to the exposure of the disease and stay healthy. Thank you.